Thanks for purchasing your product from Vaparette. If it's all arrived safely, you should have something like this in front of you. You've got a Ego case, a USB fly lead, a mains plug, 10 ml of Vaporette e-liquid, a battery depending on which one you've selected, a 650, a 900 or an 1100 battery, bottom Clearomizer top, and a set of instructions. Now I'm going to show you how to put your electronic cigarette together. First of all, we need to take the battery and the Clearomizer top. We'll get back to the rest of the kit a bit later on. We need the e-liquid, battery and the top. Now your battery, most batteries come with a 3 or a 5 click on off function. This battery at the moment, when you push this button, it's off. When you push it 3 times within 2 seconds, it either turns it on or off. I've actually just turned this on, so if we want to turn it off, 1, 2, 3, flashes and it goes off. We'll keep the battery off for now. Fill in the Clearomizer. Now this is a bottom coil Clearomizer. Now there is another video available to show you a selection of bottom coil Clearomizers, and these all get filled up in the same way. Grab onto the knurling at the bottom of the collar, and then open your e-liquid, and then at a slight angle, make sure you don't pour it down the center of the Clearomizer because it'll run straight through the mouthpiece. At a slight angle, squeeze the e-liquid and you can see it runs into the Clearomizer. Now I'm not going to fill this all the way up to the top. If you're going to take this out all day, you want to fill it up just underneath the center shaft on the Clearomizer. Now we take the bottom part of the Clearomizer, screw it on, only do this when you change your coil or when you've got a new kit. Just put a drop or 2 on the bottom of the Clearomizer. Take your battery, screw it onto your Clearomizer, pinch it, don't tighten it too much, just pinch it on, and then turn your battery on. 1, 2, 3 clicks, flashes on. Now your e-cig's ready for use. The button's got a 10-second cut-off time. That means that you can't hold this button in for more than 10 seconds. It's possibly just for your own safety, otherwise you're getting too much nicotine. That's it, it's ready to use now. Turn your battery on by clicking the battery button switch either 3 or 5 times continuously within 2 seconds. This one's a 3 click on. 1, 2, 3, flashes, and then now the battery's on, ready to power up the Clearomizer. Place the Clearomizer mouthpiece into your mouth and hold in the button continuously. You'll hear that it makes a slight hissing sound. Inhale slowly through the mouthpiece for 3 to 4 seconds, let go, and then you'll feel the vapor in your mouth. Inhale as you would do normally and exhale. The length of the time that you hold in the button is really an individual choice, but the longer you hold the button in, the more vapor you're going to create and the stronger your throat hit is going to be. You can't hold the button in for longer than 10 seconds because then the battery indicator light will flash and it won't power up the Clearomizer anymore. The more you use your e-cig, you'll find the longer you're going to hold the button in. How to recharge your battery. After a day's use, your battery may have run out, and you'll know that because when you push the button in, it'll just flash. That means your battery is flat. Normally these are charged overnight on the mains. You can charge them on a computer, but I would suggest a main supply. It seems to be better for the battery and it makes it last longer. You take your battery, you screw it into the bottom of the USB fly lid. Take the other end of the USB, plug it into the mains plug and plug it in. Now the indicator on the USB charger when it's charging will be red. After 3 to 4 hours, depending on the size of your battery, this light will go green, and that indicates that your battery is now fully recharged.